Alright guys, you're welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. As a matter of fact, if today is your first day, you come into this channel, make sure you copy the link and you share to others so that they get the benefits. Subscribe as well. Don't just go that way, subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, make sure also you share the link to others so that they get a benefit of this channel. A lot of benefit in here. Okay, and as for you, those of you who want to buy skincare recipe, or you want to buy organic ingredient, or you want to buy cosmetic as you might call it, I tell you, real talk, you all just need to do, just copy the number on the screen. Yeah, see? Copy the number and dial it. You get to me. You get to me, the boss. Don't forget, I tell you, real talk, our recipe, they are affordable. Be wherever you are. You be in the US, you be Asia country, you be in Canada, you be in UK, wherever you are, just dial the number. And all we have to do, we just have to ship you your goods. Trust us. No stories. We don't test stories. Our goods, they are affordable. We don't test stories. So I mean, the way it is, as I'm telling you right now, so it is. Now don't go say because of the price is too high. No, don't say our prices are too high. That could be dangerous. A lady called me. I can't forget. She called me from the US, and she asked me she want to buy things worth of 500,000, and when I give her price, your goods there of the high side. That's what she said, and she left. But I never knew that she called me and she went somewhere else to get them. But guess what? All she got was fake. All she got was fake. And when she came back, she came lie to me. She said, "My brother, I'm really sorry. I really hurt you. I went to buy the goods other places and I bought fake goods." So who did you do? Anyway, I want to say because of that, I wouldn't be my brother or my sister keeper. We're all together. So like when she told me, she was kind of lamenting. I said, okay, I will still help you. If you still want to buy from me, I will still help you. Wish I still help her, and I gave her the right goods. So wherever you are, you be in the US, you be in the Europe side, you be in the UK, where you want to call it, London, you be in Canada, you be in Asia country, or even the Africa country as well. Also, just call at us. I will always do the right thing by shipping the right goods to you, the right cosmetic goods, or the right skincare you need. Whatever you need on skincare recipe, I will ship them to you. Highest 4 days, trust us. And also you can follow us on Instagram, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, on Facebook, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Trust me, you hear me? So that is that. Now let's go into the new news I want to tell you that I've got for you today. And what's the news? What we'll be learning today is very awesome. Today we'll be looking at a very simple way that y'all can do your glowing, when I mean glowing, confirm glowing oil. How you can make your glowing oil with just 6 recipes. 6 recipe how you can make your. As a matter of fact, this video you have to listen to this video. This is a really essential video as we want to walk this through. Yes, a lot of people, what you just do, you can spend like 10 grams or 10,000, as the case may be. Online you can spend as that to get this recipe, to get this oil, this glowing oil, or 20,000 as well. Yes, because I know how my oil, so most of my oil, they are costly. Even my own creams, they are costly. You understand? Because how effective they are. But now I said I want to do the benefit of walking you through how you can make the glowing oil yourself, how you can cook the glowing oil yourself, well done, and to save you some money. And that you can even use, if you make 1 liter of it or 2 liters of it, you can use it 5 weeks or and above, depending on how you make use of it. So let's cook this together. Join me as we cook this oil together. Don't forget, what are we cooking today? We're cooking a very nice, essential, glowing oil with 6 recipe. So let's begin. First of all, you get your Nature Secret oil. Nature Secret oil. You can see it on the screen in case if you don't know Nature Secret oil. Initially, when Nature Secret oil, when I used to buy Nature Secret oil, it was formerly on a white bottle, but now it's on green bottle. You can see the carton, Nature Secret oil. So that's gonna be your a kind of your base. So we want to mix. It's a glowing oil. Don't forget, Nature Secret oil is a glowing oil. So we want to use this as our base, and it's gonna be 100. It always be 100 ml. You can see what you see right now. Please watch this video so y'all can know how to make a glowing oil for yourself. It will help you, my brother, my sister. It will help you. You understand? So as a matter of fact, you take this Nature Secret oil. It's already 100 ml, because what we want to make right now is 200 ml of oil. Are you getting of oil? So now the Nature Secret is going to take a space of 100 ml. So we've gotten 100 ml, left with 100 ml. Now when you turn your 100 ml into a bowl, now what next will you be adding? You add your 50 ml of VidGold Black Spot Corrector. You know, the last video, I think 2 videos ago, I did talk about VidGold Black Spot Corrector. VidGold Black Spot Corrector. So if you don't know, you should go watch that video and you're gonna know much about VidGold Black Spot Corrector. That is a very nice oil that I want to tell you. And you know, the best thing about it, you can use that oil if you're black, if you're white, you can use that oil. So now you add a 50 ml of that oil to your Nature Secret. Remember, your Nature Secret should be 100 ml of the oil. Then you add a VidGold Black Spot Corrector 50 ml. So when you add the 50 ml, that is what we've got to now. That is 150. We've gotten 150, left with 50. Are you getting it? So now you will be adding after that we added 2 already. You will be adding your argan oil. That will be a 10%. A 10%. What I mean, you'll be adding 10 ml of argan oil. When you add 10 ml of argan oil, that is 160. I knew that argan oil is very very cost. I mean, if y'all want to get argan oil right now from maybe us, or you want to get from wherever you buy your argan oil, that will be costing that will be costing you about 4,000 plus. Alright. So, but you can go for the cheap one. There's one other small one type that is very cheap that you can go for. Very cheap. You can afford it. But my problem is all these cheap things. There are fakes. So like as I was saying, there are fakes. A wolf, they run ballet. So when you add your argan oil, adding a 10 ml of the argan oil, so that is 160 we've gotten already. 160 of all oils we've gotten. Yes. And let's take a step back again. Your Nature Secret is 100 ml. Are you getting it? Of the oil. So your VidGold Black Spot Corrector is 50. So that's 150 already. Then your argan oil is taking 10 mil. So that is 160. And then after that, now here comes another sweet oil you'll be using. Yes, which is carrot oil. Your carrot oil, you can make it or you can go buy. Yes, because I think that one also is still I think it can work faster hand in hand with this previous oil we just called now, this 3 oil. So plus your carrot oil, it will work effectively to make your skin glow to glow like a star, a unique star. You see all these faces, they will glow like a star. You're gonna look smooth. Are you getting it? So this carrot oil, you added 20%, which is 20 ml of it. You add 20 ml. That 20 ml plus the previous mls that we've added, so altogether is now 180. You see it now? So now left with 20. So this 20 that is left for us now, what do we have? We just add our turmeric oil. Yes, our turmeric oil. When you add your turmeric oil, 10 ml of your turmeric oil. Yes, 10 ml of your turmeric. And after that, the last but not the least that you'll be adding is our castor oil. You know, castor oil is all also good for scars and those who want to clear their scars. So I think when you add a castor oil, then we now get 200 ml. Lest I forget to tell you this, guys, make sure you add 10 drops of your tea tree oil, you know, understand? So it will help you to get rid of rashes and other blemishes, you know, because I mean this is a full package. This glowing oil is a full package you've just produced already. So because it's a glowing oil, it does not lighten, it does not bleach you, it make you glow. You shine everywhere. You glow. When they see you, what are you using? It's a glowing oil. I produce it. That's what you'll be telling them. And let me tell you one more thing. Why do I choose to use this Nature's Secret oil? Because it's good for those of you who have stretch mark, you know, because it has a argan and a snail serum in it. I mean, we didn't really have time to talk about what each oil contains, but trust me, take your own time and go through and you'll see what this oil they contain. They are all amazing. Automatically you just produce a glowing oil. So there's no way that you'll be using 200 ml of glowing oil that's not going to last you for 5 weeks, you know, for 5 weeks. Now, instead of you going out to buy and which is going to cost you very high, because I told you, I repeat, my oils, yes, they say my oils are cost. I agree to that. But it depends how powerful it is. So if they say soup when it's sweet now better money than kill and retalk. Trust me on this one. So 200 ml of this oil is going to last you for weeks with cheap money. Yes, very small money. It's very small money. Are you getting it? So with all this, you do a proper blending. When you blend with your hand mixer, blend a proper blending, you've gotten a very unique and smooth, you know, glowing oil. You see, very smooth, unique, glowing oil. So as a matter of fact, for those of you who are students or those people who Promix also have given a very secret, we have other 6 major ways that y'all can get these glowing oils, but I just gave you one. I will be dropping them subsequent time. I will be dropping them not just once. I don't believe we'll talk about oil this week anymore, but I will be dropping them subsequently. And tell me, retalk, I tell you, yeah, if you do this thing and it works out for you, drop a comment. Not just dropping a comment, do a testimony video and send to me via WhatsApp with a number on your screen, please. Yeah, so that other people can see this too. You know, I'm trying to give you this lesson, and some people, they don't do it. What they just do, they come to shut me up on WhatsApp, keep asking me deep questions I don't even know, I don't have deep answer for. For what? What the heck? Who does that? Yeah. They're funny. They ask you a serious question you don't even have answer for. Are you getting it? How does the black work with the white? Did I tell you anything about black or white? This oil is good for everybody. This oil is good. This oil we just cooked right now. Yes, from the sis recipe, from the Nature's Secret to the castor oil. I tell you, it's good. It's good. Perfect. Being you're a black person can use it. being a white, you can use all this oil that we just mixed right now. We just mix them up now. That is how you can get a glowing oil. It will help you glow and glow and glow. So now we've come to the end of our class. Please, for those of you who keep calling Ada for recipe, I told y'all you can't get a recipe from her. She will always refer you back to me, to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, baby. You know what I mean? So keep calling us for your recipe. Be wherever you are in the US, be in the UK, be in Europe, be in the Asia country, be in wherever you are. Being African country, any of the African country will ship them to you. Yes, you want to buy skincare recipe, you want to buy, or how you may call it, ingredient, organic ingredient, or cosmetic. Yes, we go beyond that. We ship them to you at affordable price. Yes, and original. We don't sell fake. We don't sell fake. Even our creams, our everything, no fake. Check us out on our Instagram, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Check us out on our Facebook, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. You can always, even our own motherland, which is our motherland YouTube, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, our own YouTube. Yes, that is how also you can, apart from this YouTube channel, we have other YouTube channel. Just go search for it, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. You get more vibes of our videos. You know what I mean? So yeah, we did. You know, so we've got to the end of the video. Please make sure you patronize us. In a minute from now, we'll be showing some samples of beautiful creams that you will use and you will not see anywhere. This is well tested, tested from the United States with confirmed receipt. When I mean receipt, with confirmed NAFDAC number, well tested. They are us, AYA products. If you get this anywhere, tell me. If you get them from anywhere, it's not us. You can only get them from us. Yes. So by next week, we'll be showing you those samples of those videos, those creams, to say. So we've come to the end of the class. Don't feel boring. If whenever you feel boring, just click on our channel. You always get more videos. You either get from us or you get from Globe with that. We are all one. You know what I mean? As a matter of fact, we are all one. So if today is the first time you're popping in, please subscribe, share, like. Click on the notification button so that you can get more notified whenever we upload new videos. Or if you're a returning subscriber, also copy the link, share to other persons so that they can get the benefit of this channel. I always tell you, I remain AYA Cosmetic Nigeria.